Hello viewers, today in this video I will unbox Realme Buds Air 7. If you are looking to buy a pair of earbuds under the price bracket of 28,000 rupees, then this video is going to be helpful for you. I have bought these earbuds from Amazon.in at a price point of 2,570 rupees. The box packaging is like any other earbuds. As you can see here at the back, the specification, and it supports high-res audio. So let's peel off the plastic and open this box and see what else is there inside the box. The first thing that you will get is the earbuds. I will keep it aside for a moment. Then you will get some extra tips of earbuds, and there is no charging cable. There are two sets of ear tips. So these are the box contents of Realme Buds Air 7. The box is like a square box. As you can see here, Realme branding. I have bought the gray color. High-res audio is mentioned at the back. Opening the lid, you can see the earbuds, and at the middle there is the reset button. The buds attaches magnetically. The magnets are solid, as you can see. The buds will not fall if I do like this. This bud has dual pairing option. You can pair up to two devices. The quality of the sound of this earbud 7 is actually very good. The earbuds use 12.4 mm dynamic bass drivers that deliver deep punchy bass without overpowering the mids. The vocal sounds are clear and mid-range instruments have good detail, making them suitable for a wide range of music genres. Actually, high frequencies are smooth, avoiding harshness or listening fatigue even with prolonged use. The size of the earbuds are a little bit on the bigger side, so if you have small ears, in that case you may feel pain in the ear. The box feels very sturdy. You can carry it around, and the weight is also very less. This earbuds actually supports LHDC high-res audio, which ensures high-quality playback on compatible devices, while custom equalizer allows users to tune the sound according to preference. This earbud supports noise cancellation up to 52 decibel. You can cancel noise or external noise. I will test these earbuds in future also. As of now, it is giving a very good experience to the ears. In the long run, I will give you another review video of Realme Buds Air 7. So stay tuned for that video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.